Hey everyone, Mrs. Davis here, and I'm going to go over the Pear Deck option for your environmental science vocab. This requires you to go into Pear Deck and use either the link or the code provided by your instructor. You are going to complete the questions for Pear Deck wherever you see a question posted, and it will prompt you on how to answer that, whether it's multiple choice or short answer. And then, let's see. Most are fairly uncomplicated. You'll choose, um, you know, based off the information given to you, answer the question using your knowledge about the vocab term. And then for this last one, you are going to, there will be through 4 colored dots for either carnivore, omnivore, herbivore, or producer, and you are going to color one example of each. Now you don't have to color more than one example, there's only one. So say if I wanted to make the rabbit the carnivore, then I wouldn't have to make any other organism the carnivore. So that is that for the Pear Deck responses. And then once you're finished with the Pear Deck and you have a good idea of the vocab terms, create either a Kahoot, Quizlet, quizzes, some type of review for yourself that includes the vocab terms and their definitions. So this could also be a 3x5 card that you take pictures of, but something that you need to upload to this Schoology assignment would be the link to whatever review you have decided to complete. Let your teacher know if you have any questions. Bye.